Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all good. Now let's start our lesson. I'd like to remember you that the last video we were talking about graphical representation and bar graph. I'll do a quick revision on the steps that you have to follow when solving an exercise on bar graph. First, collecting data. Second, organizing data. Third, displaying data. And the last step is to interpreting data. That's your question on the last video, page 1. I'd like to go on details. Collecting data is to ask your colleagues about their favorite day, because our question was asking about the favorite day of the week for the students or your colleagues. 2, organizing data. So I will organize the collected data. I got it from my friend in a table form. 3, displaying data. So I have to use bar graph, of course, to display my data. The last step is to interpreting data. So I need to analyze my data on the graph or on the table. So this is page 2. I'd like you to open page 2 and have your pencil with you and read the directions with me. Reflect on your learning. Write or draw 3 things you noticed about the class bar graph. And of course, we are talking about the favorite day of the week graph. Again, to memorize our data, here I have the vertical axis, and as I said before, it represents up and down. Horizontal axis represents right and left. Here in the horizontal, we wrote the days of the week. On the vertical side, or on the vertical axis, we wrote the number of the students depending on their liking. And again, my data here, Sunday, I have 5 friends who love Sunday. Monday, 2 friends who love Monday. Tuesday, 4 friends. Wednesday, only 1 friend. Thursday, I have 3 friends. Friday, I have 10 friends. And the last one, Saturday, I have 5 friends. Now, I need to write or draw 3 things you noticed about the class graph. I'd like you to pause the video first and look at the data and write any 3 sentences you like about the graph or draw. But now I will do it with you. Here, as you can see, the bars here, or the bar displayed here in the graph, I can see that the gray one, the first one that catches my sight, because it's the tallest one or the greatest one, and it's equal to 10 students. So I can write this in a sentence form as Friday is the most favorite day of the week. Why I said so? Because I have 10 students who say that they like Friday. And this is the largest amount of students who vote for Friday. So I can write it as a sentence, as I said, Friday is the most favorite day of the week. Again, look at the graph and guess what other information I can get from the graph. You can see the beginning of the graph, Sunday, and the ending of the graph, Saturday, they have the same value. This means that I have 5 friends or 5 colleagues or 5 students who like Sunday is exactly equal to the number of the students who like Saturday. So I can write that Sunday is equal to Saturday. Or in a sentence form, the students or the number of students who like Sunday and my sign equal to the number of the students who like what? Of course, Saturday. Okay, again, I have a lot of information I can get out that graph or from that graph. Like, as you can see, I have Tuesday and Thursday. You can see that Tuesday is equal to 4. So I have 4 students who like Tuesday. And for the pink bar here that represents Thursday, I have only 3 students. So I can use a relation sentence between them and write that Tuesday is greater than Thursday. Or the other side, or the opposite side, Thursday is less than Thursday. So Tuesday, which represents 4 students, which is greater than Thursday because it represents only 3 students. Again, I have the last sentence I have to mention. I have a lot of information, as I said before. Wednesday is the least favorite day of the week. Why? Because I only have 1 student who voted for Wednesday as their favorite day. So when writing it in a sentence, I will say Wednesday is the least favorite day of the week. Is that the only information I can get from the graph? Of course no, I have a lot of information. I can write it in a sentence form. For example, I can write that Wednesday is less than, of course, what? Friday. So here's my first, my first, second, third. This is if you want to add this information, it's up to you. So Wednesday will be less than which day? Friday. Is Friday the only one or only day? Of course not. Wednesday is also less than Thursday and less than Saturday, less than Thursday, Monday, and Sunday. So it's up to you to form or write this information in a sentence form. It's up to you to choose which information you want to write on a sentence. So for me, I will take Wednesday less than Friday. And it's the easiest for me because I know here from the first sentence that the most favorite day is Friday. And the least favorite day is Wednesday. So I can form it in a relation between the 2 days and put down here my relation, and we pronounce it less than. So Wednesday is less than Friday. And that was the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy your lesson. Bye.